Hi, Andy Nelson here. So I want to talk about one way that you can seriously torpedo your trademark aspirations. And I'll start with a quick story. So somebody I ran into a while ago had been using a mark that they fell in love with. It was a particular name in this case, not a logo or something else, and been using it for a couple of years, believe it or not. And after 2 years, this person received a cease and desist letter. And sure enough, this person was using a mark that was identical to someone else who had superior rights in it and for similar goods and services. The problem? The person fell in love with something, adopted something for use, but did not clear it in advance. So that is the way you can torpedo your trademark rights out of the gate. In fact, perhaps your whole business enterprise by not clearing your mark to ensure that's not going to infringe on someone else's mark. Someone else has superior rights because trademarks themselves, again, they are for consumers largely. They help consumers find single sources of goods or services. That is, there's a policy to help consumers not be confused about where they're selecting and purchasing their products and services. So, as you can imagine, someone who adopts a certain mark in commerce before somebody else is going to have likely superior rights to it. There's some nuances to it, what kind of goods and services, what's the geography, that sort of thing. But effectively, there's a first in time, first in right principle at play here. So if you're getting ready to launch a product or service and adopt a public-facing mark or marks for it, you have got to be sure to clear it in advance. Through searching, you can certainly, the web is great for doing a lot of that. Search in the USPTO, United States Patent and Trademark Office database for that. You can employ an attorney to help you out with that because they know some extra tricks and trades. I talked like in the third person like I'm not one. Attorney like me or another attorney. And third-party services. There are third-party services that will use certain proprietary software to scrape the web and every little nook and cranny that you can actually get to through the web for potential problems and prepare that in a report for you. It doesn't analyze it. You still need to look at it and analyze whether there's going to be a problem or use an attorney or somebody to help you analyze whether it's going to be a problem. But you just got to clear the mark to ensure that you're moving forward with acceptable risk. It's hard to get or to have 100% certainty, but you can get awfully close to 100%. And know, at least move forward knowing that or understanding that you're very unlikely to receive some kind of cease and desist letter, or worse yet, a lawsuit that is just going to crash your plans. Or let's stick with the theme, torpedo your plans altogether. So mistake number one to avoid, clear your mark. Avoid not clearing it. Make sure you do clear your mark before you adopt your mark and use it in commerce, and you'll feel much better and safer that you've got a valuable asset going forward. That's it. If you have any questions about this video, drop a comment, shoot me a note, and if somebody would benefit from the contents of this video, please feel free to share it. Until the next one, have a good one.